The Ulefone PowerMo 18T versus the Ulefone PowerMo 18. Which of the two devices is best? Ulefone PowerMo 18 will be launching on January 9th next year. It is a lot comparable to the Ulefone PowerMo 18T, and in this video we're going to be discovering which of the two devices is best, or if the specs of both devices are the same. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the top features and specs of both devices. Perfect. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.